I am Dr. Praveen Gupta. I am the Director of Neurology at Fortis Hospital, Gurugram. Today we'll talk about multiple sclerosis. Multiple sclerosis is a disease which affects young individuals where there are multiple attacks of neurological dysfunction. That is why it is called multiple. These attacks leads to development of white patches in the brain, which is known as sclerosis. These attacks leads to blurring of vision, double vision, weakness in body, slurring of speech, imbalance while walking, or numbness in the body. These patients, young patients, get recurrent attacks of such dysfunctions. However, lot of times these attacks improve spontaneously. That is why patients become satisfied and they do not take further treatment. However, all patients, even if the attack is self-limiting, should do a MRI and get their disease diagnosed properly. Because in the first attack itself, we can identify who has chances of recurrent attacks. Research has shown that people who have started treatment early have done best in the long term. The other myth is that multiple sclerosis is a bad disease which will lead people to wheelchair, they will not function in their life. Which was correct in older times because the disease was not diagnosed in time and people did not take proper treatment for the fear of side effects of injections. Because earlier the only treatment was with injections which used to cause body ache or fever.
यदि आप इस तरह ही हेल्थ के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें ये चैनल द हेल्थ केयर टुडे और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि हर नए वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिले.
But today multiple types of oral medicines have become available which are well tolerated, easy to take like blood pressure or diabetes regular medicine. Also, it has people who start early can ward off the attacks and damage to the brain leading to preservation of normal function, and I have lot of patients who if you walk besides them you will not know the difference between normal person and the patient. These patients are doing their occupations normally, living their family life normally and enjoying life also. How is it possible? It is possible because of starting proper treatment in time. That is why it is implied that all patients who have such attacks should do a proper MRI, see a neurologist and get their disease diagnosed properly. Do not be misled by a lot of myths which are prevalent on internet. Start proper treatment immediately because this treatment will salvage your brain, prevent damage to brain and prevent recurrent attacks leading to a good, healthy life and a productive life. Friends, to conclude, it must be said that multiple sclerosis, though a lifelong disorder, but is eminently treatable, drugs are well tolerated and the treatment has become cost effective also. So do not hesitate, get yourself diagnosed properly and treated in time so that you can live a good and happy life.